Back in the mid-state tonight, the legal wrangling continues down to the wire in the Vanderbilt football rape case. We are just about a week from trial, and lawyers on both sides are still fighting over the evidence, witnesses, and the strategy jurors will be allowed to consider. Fox 17's Erica Lathan here now to explain what is in and what is out.
Well, defense attorneys argued unsuccessfully that the alleged rape victim shouldn't be allowed to testify. That's something the judge ruled against. Now the focus turns to a California doctor who lawyers believe can prove their client wasn't responsible for the alleged sexual assault.
Attorneys for Brandon Vandenberg plan to argue that he was too drunk to be responsible for an alleged rape in his dorm room in June of 2013. Prosecutors say it's a late-minute strategy, and the California doctor his lawyers plan to call shouldn't be allowed to testify.
Late notice of experts after 13 months, right before the trial, we think is our argument that puts us at a severe disadvantage.
We have complied with the notice requirements, and what we've done is timely in every regard.
Defense attorneys are also raising questions about a previous hearing where Vandenberg testified. They were unaware the alleged rape victim was watching the proceedings on a closed-circuit feed outside the courtroom.
We did not have the opportunity to take that into our consideration in determining what evidence to elicit and how to proceed at that time. It's something we should have been notified of.
The Constitution gives the victim a right to view all that, and she was able to view it without having to be harassed or intimidated by coming through you guys and coming in the courtrooms.
Judge Monty Watkins says the victim was well within her rights to watch the proceedings outside of court.
I can understand your concern, but the court is not going to do anything to violate the rights of the defendants in this case or the rights of the victim.
Judge Monty Watkins will decide on Monday by noon whether Vandenberg's doctor will be allowed to testify. The trial for two of the rape suspects, including Vandenberg and Corey Beatty, is set to begin November 3rd. Erica Lathan, Fox 17 News.